Don't look at me, work. Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby. There you go, Dale. Keep it on high. Welcome back to Keep It On High. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. So I've documented this new construction custom build that's been done by Capstone Construction, all with drones. I've completely filmed each stage up to now. So today we're going to be checking out the landscaping because it is done and it's completed. So I'm excited to show it all. I captured it with drones. So we're going to be checking out the sod we laid down, the shrubbery. And I may even throw in there a little sneak peek of how the fence was thrown up. So let's get ready to keep it on high and check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out my other videos if you've missed any stage. I'm gonna do a little breakdown or a recap of how the pool was sprayed and the water was filled in. That was pretty cool. So keep it on high. Keep it on high, baby. There you go, Dale. Keep it on high. Hey, don't stop. Keep it on high, baby.